Today I'll show you how to set up TikTok pixel, and sorry for the background noise. And first you have to open TikTok ad manager, then tool, then event. Okay, then set up event, then create setup web event, then manual, then next, then keep a name here. Then next, okay, pixel created, then add to cart, say consideration, add to his consider complete payment conversation, this is about conversation, a content awareness, conversation, submit from download, contact, complete registration awareness. Okay, then we will click next. Okay, then only custom event code. Okay, then next, initiate complete payment, okay, then next, then advanced messaging, then view instruction, and please subscribe my channel and also follow my YouTube, subscribe my channel and follow my Facebook page. And if you have any question, please comment below, I will reply. You will find my contact information in the description box in this video. Okay, then copy this video and add this code between the every page of your website. Okay, and another new update, this one. Okay, I'll talk about it after setting the after input the code. Okay, then I will go to